Whether you're a developer building data pipelines or an analyst collecting leads, Minexa.ai turns websites like Visajourney.com into structured datasets in just a few minutes for scraping immigration forum data. Go to the Visajourney.com page you want to scrape, and Minexa.ai finds the right structure for you. Launch the Minexa.ai Chrome extension. Everything you need to start the extraction process is already in this panel. Hit the button that says, "I'm on the right page," so Minexa.ai understands how the page is structured and how additional results are revealed as you navigate. Minexa.ai spotted the pagination. All pages will be scraped automatically each time this scraper runs. Choose lightweight list scraping or full extraction across every detail page to fit your data needs. Most pages only need continue. Switch to advanced mode when the site changes based on what you do on it. Check the highlighted section and click Create Scraper. Minexa.ai will detect hidden attributes, image URLs, and nested values alongside visible text during analysis. Every data point was detected automatically: visible text, hidden attributes, and metadata for U.S. immigration forum topics and posts are all there. Just pick what you need or click it on the page. Click API Request to get the full Python request with rendering, retries, and proxy settings already configured for this scraper. Ready for any scale? Click Complete Configuration and use this scraper for a single export or millions of pages. Nothing stops at page 1. The full pagination flow is saved and runs automatically every time. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets, and every run will push fresh data there automatically. Hit Run, and the job begins. Pages are processed in parallel based on your plan's thread limit for faster execution at scale. Every column you see stayed within the right section of the page. Ads, sidebars, and unrelated content never made it into your dataset, even if they looked similar to the real data. Here, you can review topics, post dates, usernames, and replies, all neatly organized for U.S. immigration forum topics and posts from Visajourney.com. Click Export to download the dataset. Every value came from the exact right spot on the page, so no AI hallucination issue. Any website, any data, Minexa.ai handles the scraping, the structure, and the delivery, so you just focus on what you need.